name is Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, which means that I deal with topics from the perspective of someone who has lived with hair loss for most of my life and wears wigs on a daily basis for that reason. So for today's video, I'm going to be just doing something a little bit different and a bit fun. I'm going to be doing a smoky eye makeup look. So I've done a couple of makeup looks on this channel before and I always have so much fun doing them. So today I'm just going to do a nice basic smoky eye makeup look, and I'm also going to especially do this for people who might also deal with hair loss and loss of eyelashes as well. So we're going to probably use a little bit more dramatic eyeliner and lashes to also work with people who don't necessarily have eyelashes of their own, but of course this tutorial can also work for anyone. So as you can see, I already have my base makeup on. I just have some primer, concealer, and brows, and a little bit of blush and bronzer as well. So I'm just going to jump right into the eye look. I'm going to be working with an earthy color scheme like this one, but you're definitely also going to want to have some colors in the darker range as well. But for starters, I'm just going to go over the whole eyelid with a basic light brown color like this one here. Next, using a slightly smaller and bit more precise brush, I'm going to go in with a darker color like this one here. You just want to make sure you have a tiny bit on the brush and tap off the excess so you don't go in too heavy-handed with the darker color. And I'm just going to put that right in the crease. I'm going to bring that up in the crease and then kind of make a slight point, almost like a cat eye on top of the eyelid. That. So that it meets in the corner like so. I'm going to take a bit of that color and also put it underneath the lower eyelid and then drag it up. Now don't get alarmed if this is already looking a bit too dark, because we are of course going to blend it out in a moment. Now taking a fluffier brush, just go ahead and start blending out that darker shade. Now I'm going to go in with a different brush and just bring in a little bit of this peachy tone to the center of the eyelid. At the end of this makeup tutorial, I'm also going to give a sneak preview of one of the brand new wigs from the Orchid Collection that's just coming out this month, so stay tuned to the end of the video for that. Now I'm going to go in with an even darker brown, this one the second from the end. With my smoky eyes, I tend to keep the crease a little bit darker, but I like to keep the actual eyelid a bit lighter to create a nice contrast. And again, take a clean fluffy brush and just blend that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the darkest color in this palette, which is pretty much just a dark gray, black color, and start adding that just to the corner crease. And under the eye as well. And blending once again. And to add a bit more contrast, I'm going to take this shimmery light pink shade here and bring that into the inner corner of the eye. And with another brush, I'm just going to take this white, lightest color of the palette here and put that on the brow bone. I'm also going to add a bit of that in the corner, the very corner of the eye. And now to bring the eye makeup look together, I'm going to add a bit of black liquid eyeliner and some fake lashes. And because I don't have bottom eyelashes, I also like to take some eyeliner and almost draw on fake bottom lashes, just little wisps on the bottom lid. They're obviously not supposed to look exactly like bottom eyelashes, but it kind of gives that effect of bottom lashes. And now I'm just going to pop on a pair of fake eyelashes. You can use whichever type of fake lash adhesive you prefer, whichever one is easiest for you to work with. From traditional lash glue to magnetic lashes as well are a great option for if you're not comfortable using lash glue and want something a little bit easier. There are products where the eyeliner is actually magnetic and then the eyelash has magnets on it that you can actually just pop right onto the eyeliner. So that's a great option for you if you're not comfortable working with lash glue. My favorite glue is actually a quick drying lash glue, which makes it a little bit easier to work with because it gets tackier a little bit faster. And don't feel like you have to use a lot of lash glue. A little does go a long way. And sometimes a beginner mistake with lashes is using too much lash glue. To create a contrast against the dark makeup look, I'm also going to use a lighter lip color. And I'm also going to mix it with a slightly peachier shade as well. So that is the completed makeup look. Let me take this hair down so you can also see it with this wig in all its glory. This is a newer wig from the Alexander Couture Collection called Aderans. And as promised, here is the Orchid sneak preview of the collection that is coming out this month. This is a brand new style in the Orchid Collection called Sassy, in a new color as well called Cream Velvet. Such an awesome color with a lot of different shades going on here, but it's a beautiful blonde rooted color with a little bit of lighter brown highlights throughout. This is a really nice new medium length addition to the Orchid Collection, and of course in this fabulous new color. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Comment below if you think you'll try out this look and what you think of this new wig from the Orchid Collection. Again, this is called Sassy in the new color Cream Velvet. Awesome style and awesome color. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to our channel for more wig tips and tutorials. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well at René of Paris. Thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.